friends, and welcome back. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Kallie Branciforte, and something you might not know about your girl, if you're new here, is that I like the Dollar Tree, okay? And, I like summer, because that's a great segue into letting you know that today's video is about Dollar Tree summer hacks. These are simple hacks to make your summer better using products that cost you $1 at the Dollar Tree. Let's do this. Okay, hack number one is you can get these balloon inflators. They are sold in the party section near the balloons. Obviously, they work great for blowing up balloons, but in the summer, what they work amazing for is blowing up all your 8 million inflatables that you have, whether it's pool inflatables. Personally, I have this little kiddie pool that my son really likes. My dog also really likes it. And I don't really want to use all of my precious airspace to blow it up. And this little balloon inflator works perfectly for blowing up all of your summer inflatables. Okay, this next hack is using the solar lights that you can get at the Dollar Tree. They're everywhere, specifically around the summertime. And this hack was inspired by Chic on the Cheap. She's an amazing, I feel like when I say it, I'm saying chic on the sheep. It's not a sheep, it's cheap. You're chic on the cheap is what it is. Anyways, she does all sorts of amazing Dollar Tree videos, and she specifically has an entire video about all of the different hacks you can do with the Dollar Tree solar lights, and I will link that down below. But the one that I'm using here that's summer related is to use these to create little solar light votives. So something you might not know by just passing by the solar lights is the bottom stakes actually come out, which make them a lot more versatile. And what I'm gonna do is just take the stakes out and actually place them inside one of the glass votives from the Dollar Tree. I find that these ones with the little, that come with the little tops actually fit the solar lights perfectly. Two little hacks that I will let you know about the Dollar Tree solar lights. One, make sure that you're checking to see that they still have their little red tab in. Sometimes people pull them, little children, or like angry millennials. I don't know who pulls them. I'm assuming children pulls them. So make sure you're getting one with the red battery tab. Two, when you do pull the tab, you want to stick this guy out in sun for about a good 8 hours to charge it up for its first use. And three, make sure that you're looking around when you buy them, because you can actually buy them with black tops and silver tops, and I totally didn't realize this when I was buying them, and I wish I had bought all silver tops because I feel like they would have looked cuter in my votives, and I could spray paint them, but I'm too lazy. But anyways, that's literally it. You need a $1 glass votive, a $1 solar light, and now you have these really cute solar lights to put out on your patio, put them out on your front porch, and they're gonna light up on their own every single day. I love this. I think it's so cute. For $2, you can't beat it. Okay, I got a couple mom summer hacks for you, and the first one is for bubble wands. If you are a mother, you know the bubble wands, and you know what happens with bubble wands is that you show your child bubble wand, and they're like, yay, bubble wand. And then you spend the next 2 hours of your day holding the bubble wand container while your child dips the bubble wand in, and then you're covered in bubble solution. So a very simple task, and this doesn't work just for bubble wands, you can use it for any bubble bottle, is to get some of the zip ties from the Dollar Tree. The packages of zip ties from the Dollar Tree are a lifesaver. It's like 25 or 50 zip ties in there, and I find so many millions of uses for these things. Next time you're in the Dollar Tree, just get yourself a package because you will find a use for them. But in this specific hack, just gonna use the zip ties to zip tie it to a fence post, zip tie it to a table leg, zip tie it to any sort of stake that you have. And now the bubble container is contained and it's upright, and your child can happily make bubbles all day long, and you're not getting bubble solution on you, nor are you spending the next 2 hours of your life being the bubble wand holder. You're welcome. On the topic of entertaining your children, I came up with this quick little hack so that my child would have something fun to do on our front porch. And all I'm taking is one of the metal cooking trays that you can get in the kitchen section, and then I'm attaching it to the wall using command hooks. You can do this inside, you can do this outside. 2 on the bottom, 2 on the top, and then this works as a really great little quick magnet board. We have letter magnets that my son uses, but you can use them for whatever magnets. Kids have all sorts of adorable magnets that they can use. I love it because you can stick it up, and when you're done with it, pull the command hooks down and you're done. Okay, next up is for keeping your towels in place on your chair so that it doesn't blow away at the beach. No lie, I saw these towel clips at Walmart for $6, but you can get a set of 6 clips at the Dollar Tree for $1, and they work just as well for clipping your towel and keeping it in place so it doesn't blow away. A little trick for going to the beach. I have 2 products I love to buy from the Dollar Tree for beach trips, and the one is the mesh laundry bags. These are great at at the end of the beach day to just like throw all of your wet towels in, like any like wet bathing suits, any like clothes that got sandy, shoes that got sandy, throw them all in one of these mesh bags. So these are great to use and throw into your beach bag. And then another item I love is the plastic totes that kind of have the two handles. These are like the perfect size and shape to bring sand toys. They have holes on the top, holes on the bottom, so sand is all gonna filter out before you leave. Throw all your little sand toys in there, and it's the perfect little container to hold them all. And if you have a ton of beach toys, like maybe you have multiple kids, or you're just like, I don't love the beach, you have so many beach toys, I don't know. They actually have even larger baskets. They have these like half laundry baskets, and these work really, really great as beach toy totes as well. And on the topic of wet bathing suits and just like going to the beach, if you have a beach bag, or you know, you're a mom and you have a diaper bag or backpack or whatever that you use, the summer is kind of the time of year when it might start to get a little bit ripe in there. You know what I mean? One thing I really love is you can get these little scent bags. You get packs of 2 of them at the Dollar Tree. Throw these into your gym bag, your diaper bag, your beach bag. It's just gonna keep things a little bit fresh during these hot days of the year. Next hack is that the Dollar Tree sells popsicle molds for $1, and you can just make your own popsicles. It's brilliant. I feel like popsicles are having a moment because literally all over my Instagram feed is people making DIY popsicles. You don't need to buy like fancy, expensive popsicle molds. Just go to the Dollar Tree, get the $1 ones, and you can make your own popsicles. I just made some with some juice and a little bit of lemon lime soda. You can throw some fruit in there. Again, you can get very Pinteresty with these if you really want to. I wasn't feeling that fancy, but I love it. Just throw them in the freezer and now you have some fun little popsicles. And on the topic of popsicles and or frozen treats, you can get paper cupcake liners at the Dollar Tree. These are obviously great for making delicious cupcakes, but also for little hands, just stick them on to the stick of your popsicle, and it's gonna prevent all of the drips of the popsicle coming down onto their hand. It's just the perfect little drip catcher for all of your frozen treats. Okay, another quick hack is using the cell phone ring holders. These seriously have so many uses. They're one of my new favorite products from the Dollar Tree. But since today is all about summer, I'll share a quick summer hack. Personally, in the summer, I am always misplacing my sunglasses. So I'm gonna use the cell phone ring holder to help me. These have sticky backs and you can stick them to pretty much anything. I'm gonna adhere them to the inside of a cupboard drawer that's by my back door. And then I can just use these to really easily store my sunglasses right by my back door. So I'll always have them on my way out the door. Okay, this last trick is really kind of more of a DIY, but it's how to use stuff from the Dollar Tree to make your own bug repellent candles. Also, my husband is out mowing the lawn right now, and this is literally the only time I can film, and I'm really sorry that you're gonna hear lawn mowing in the background. I'm gonna try to edit it out as much as I can. I'm very sorry. So you can buy lots of candles at the Dollar Tree. Specifically, I don't love the pillar ones. I find that they melt down a little too fast, but you can also get these really long, big ones, and I'm gonna use these and upcycle them into bug repellent candles. So you're gonna put these in a pot of water and put it over a low heat, and eventually the water is gonna slowly heat up. It's going to melt all of the wax that is in there. And then I have these 2 jars that I got from the glass section in the Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna put candle wicks in here. You can't get candle wicks at the Dollar Tree, but I bought a big pack on Amazon. I will link those down below. And I'm just gonna prop these on the top of the glass votive. You want something to hold the wick in place, like a popsicle stick or a toothpick or whatever. Then once all the wax is melted, I'm gonna add some essential oil to this. Now there's a handful of essential oils that help with bug repellent. Obviously citronella essential oil is really great, but there's other ones like cinnamon, peppermint, lemongrass. Those are all known to be natural bug repellents as well. But then once I have the essential oil in the wax, I'm just gonna pour these into my new glass containers. And then I've got cute little glass votives to put out on my front porch, put them out on your patio. They're gonna help keep the bugs away, so it's a win-win-win. Last 2 hacks is to help with keeping cold. The first one is a little trick to help keep food cold. I always find it really hard to do like appetizers or just foods in general when you have company over and you're sitting outside in the summer, because you have to be very specific about what you use because you don't want it to get too hot. A really easy trick is you can actually put the plate of whatever you're eating inside of a shower cap from the Dollar Tree and then fill the shower cap with ice. It's gonna help hold the ice in place around your plate or bowl, and it's gonna help keep your food cold while you serve it. And my very last tip is that you can really easily make DIY ice packs. You're just gonna grab some Ziplocs from the Dollar Tree and a couple sponges from the Dollar Tree. Saturate your sponges with water and then put them inside of the Ziploc. I always double bag just to be safe, and then freeze those and you're good to go. You have quick little ice packs whenever you need them. All right, my friends, that does it. Those are my Dollar Tree summer hacks. I hope that some of these will help you make your summer just a little bit easier for only $1 or $2. As always, thank you so much for stopping by and watching. If you enjoyed this video, I'm going to link some other Dollar Tree videos down below that you might enjoy as well. But as always, thank you so much for stopping by and watching. I hope you are having a fantastic day, and I will see you all in my next video.